This is the rebirth of the Kia Optima. From humble to hot, from bland to bold, it was a high-risk makeover with billions at stake. Now buckle up while we take you for a spin in the fast lane. Through design, testing, and production, it's the birth of a Kia Optima. By 2006, cheap wasn't cheerful for the bottom line. Demand for this conventional sedan had topped out at around 50,000 cars a year in North America. Competitors in the same class were selling at 5 times that rate. The challenge? To take this grocery getter and turn it into something that would set it apart in the market. The company had an ace up its sleeve, a newly recruited superstar in the world of auto design who was to oversee a global team of designers on a mission to turn a simple, functional ride into a true object of desire. Since the start of this journey, the company has been hanging its future on the vision of one man, designer Peter Schreier. Leading a global team from his base in Frankfurt, this designer has done the near impossible, turning the company around almost single-handedly. Peter Schreier's numerous design awards include Man of the Year from prestigious Automobile magazine. As a star at Audi and Volkswagen, Schreier's pedigree certainly qualified him for the job, but that didn't mean this was going to be easy. His vision would either make or break the future of the Optima, and perhaps even the car company itself.
Kia is like a clean sheet of paper. I had the chance to completely start on a white canvas, and I could say shape the brand the way I thought it would be right.
The makeover began with a new face. The tiger nose would become one of the defining features of the new Optima and the face of an entire car company. Then, the ultimate challenge. Head up an international team of designers to completely overhaul the Optima and make it a winner in the most competitively ruthless class of automobile. A competition was held that included design teams in Frankfurt and California, all filtered through the rigorous approvals of Kia headquarters in Seoul, South Korea. This would be a car with truly international DNA. With only one destined to win, most of the early designs are rejected. It's the one that has just the right scale, the right curves in the right places that Schreier is looking for. The winning exterior design is from the Italian-born Davide Limongelli, based in the Frankfurt studio.
I look out the window here all the time and I see the traffic, and when the cars stop at the traffic lights, some of them you recognize. You can see, that's a BMW and that's a Mercedes. I wanted Kia to be recognized, and I want people to have an awareness of our brand.
A 3D video wall helps the design team get a sense of what the car will finally look like before they truly commit. The lines of the car are built around what are called the pillars, the A, B, and C. These are the vertical supports of the car's window area or greenhouse. The reference points anchor the lines of the design and determine whether a car is boxy or sleek, compact or stretched, and ultimately whether or not it will be eye-catching. Schreier and his team blend all the finer details together to create a cohesive and seamless design. Kia's manufacturing facility, West Point, Georgia. Everything that happens here is state-of-the-art. From the initial punch of metal to the finished product, this entire facility is a technological marvel, one of the most advanced in the entire industry. With a skilled workforce in place, the Optima was slotted into production. Putting the car together starts with massive 44,000-pound coils of steel that are stamped into parts. In a mere 24 hours, this roll of steel will become an Optima. The welding shop where the bodies are assembled is one of the most automated in the industry. There are 283 robots in operation here, executing 2,000 welds on each car in just 90 minutes. With the bare-bones frame stamped and welded, workers attach the doors, hood, and trunk lid. Even this assembly is difficult thanks to the new sloping, intricate design, a far cry from the crossover vehicles being made here. On the main line, the body travels through 347 workstations and hundreds of pairs of hands. The cabin electrical harness is secured into place, followed by the electronics and the dashboard. The headliner is installed. After that, a signal is given to the engine and chassis supplier next door that it's time to join the party. Once it comes off the line, the engine gets fired up, and the vehicle is taken to the test track where all its systems are scrutinized, including steering, suspension, and acceleration. All totaled, the assembly of an Optima takes less than a day. Here, at the end of the assembly line, the cars are packaged and prepared for shipping to markets around the world.